Hey ladies and gentlemen, what's up? Devon Brown here, and today I want to tell you about something that happened last week when I had one of my students steal something from me. About a week and a half ago, I did this promotion on my Facebook. You may or may not have seen it. I did this promotion where I posted on my Facebook, I said, hey, Facebook, I've got this really neat traffic source. If you're interested in it, type in the chat box or type in the comment section below and let me know you're interested, and I'll private message you the link, right? And I wrote it, and it was I thought it was decent copy. It got crazy high responses. It was ridiculously effective. And I was like, yay me, I'm a good marketer, high five Devon, right? That's what happened. So my student was like, what Devon did worked really well. I'm an affiliate of this thing just like Devon is. I'll just do this shit myself. And so he took my exact verbiage and he put it on his Facebook, and sure as hell, people left him, and his Facebook following is smaller than mine, but proportionately it worked just as well. Because I started noticing all the people leaving the comments under his Facebook post saying that they wanted information on this. So I left a comment on my student's Facebook. And I said to him, great job. High five. I am so glad you stole this from me. The reason I was so happy and so proud of him was because he was finally getting it. He was finally understanding that when you see something that works, you model it. Good job stealing my stuff, and I mean that in all sincerity. I'm very, very happy that it clicked for you that way. So anyway, that's all I had to share with you. Like this video, comment on it, share it, let me know your thoughts. I think that's all I got. I'm pretty sure I switched my legs like 3 or 4 times already and snapped my fingers, so we're good on that front. Talk to you soon. Bye.